Why not make something fancy from the egg carton? Turns out, it's ridiculously easy. And honestly, this eco-friendly DIY is my favorite of the bunch. I bet you'd find something just like this at Anthropologie or Crate & Barrel, easily selling for $40 or more. All right, so this plastic is way easier to cut than bottles, trust me. Once you've got your strips, the real fun starts. I picked colors that work for spring and fall because, you know, I like decor that can pull double duty. Once you cut out the cones, they'll have jagged edges, which can easily be trimmed with a smaller pair of scissors. And don't worry about perfect edges. Flowers aren't perfect anyway. That's their charm. Now grab your hot iron, no steam, and sandwich the flower between parchment paper, cone up. Press for a few seconds. And bam, fanned out petals. Trim them up, add some blings, buttons, gems, whatever. Instead of holes, I clipped clothespins on the back so I can string them up or stick them on anything I want. Super versatile, right? It's crazy how easy and cute these are. And the more you upcycle, the more high-end your display looks. I'm gonna be making a ton more for everyone I know. Which one is your favorite? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun Trash to Treasure projects.